Easily create a rent receipt online. Follow these steps to generate professional rent receipts, customize them, and print them out. First, visit the website called tax2win.com and then click on the Tools option. Click on Rent Receipt Generator. Enter your rent and address details and click Next. Then comes rent information. Here enter your full name. And here enter your landlord's name. Alright, everyone, we've now reached the section where you need to enter your landlord's PAN details. Remember, this step is mandatory only if your yearly rent amounts to 1 lakh rupees or more. In our example, since the total is less than 1 lakh rupees, filling this tab is not mandatory. Click on Next. Now under Generate Receipt tab, enter your email ID. Enter your mobile number. Select the period for which you need the rent receipt. In my case, I'm choosing the beginning of the financial year, which is April 1st, 2023. Next, fill in the date until which the rent receipt is required. In my case, I'm selecting the end of the financial year, which is March 31st, 2024. Choose the frequency of rent payments from the provided options. Click on Generate. After clicking on Generate, you will receive your rent receipts. Click on the Print Receipts tab and download them as a PDF to obtain your landlord's signature. Don't forget to save this video for future reference, and if you found it helpful, please share and follow us for more informative videos like this.